In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Salesforce using the Data Import Wizard. This process might sound technical, but with these simple steps, you'll be up and running in no time. Let's start by preparing your data. Make sure your data is saved in a comma-separated values format, commonly known as CSV. This format ensures your information is organized in a way that Salesforce can easily recognize. Double check your CSV file for accuracy and consistency. You don't want any errors sneaking into your database. Next, let's move over to Salesforce. Once you've logged into your account, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the back end of Salesforce where we can get down to business. In the setup area, you'll notice a quick find box at the top left. Type in Data Import Wizard and click on the link that appears. The Data Import Wizard is a powerful tool within Salesforce that streamlines the process of migrating data into your system. Now that you're in the Data Import Wizard, you'll see an option to import my data. Click on that and it will prompt you to choose the object category you're working with. For our purposes, we are importing leads, so go ahead and choose leads from the list. If your leads include a mix of companies and individuals, you'll need to decide which category fits most of your data. Salesforce gives you the option to select either other companies or individuals based on the composition of your leads. It's important to categorize them correctly to maintain an organized database. Then select I have a CSV file. This signals to Salesforce that you're preparing to upload your data file. Now choose the CSV file you've prepared earlier from your computer. This is the file that will populate your Salesforce leads, so make sure it's the right one. One critical step is mapping the fields in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. This ensures that all the information is placed correctly and consistently. Take your time to match each field accurately to avoid confusion later on. Once you are satisfied with your field mappings, click Import. The Data Import Wizard will begin processing your file, and the import will run in the background. While you can't watch the import as it happens, the wizard will alert you once the process is complete. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully imported leads into Salesforce using the Data Import Wizard. This import process not only saves time but also minimizes errors, keeping your data tidy and efficient. Remember to review your imported data for accuracy once it's done. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.